Hi, I'm Tim Whitfield. I'm with the ESRM community here. We're out at Little Lost Flores, doing some wildfire restoration. Right now we just cleared this hillside with all this jute. We cleared out a lot of different invasive species. The goal is to get a ton of native coverage on this area. You can see out in the distance there's lots of burned houses. We've been helping with that the last couple of days. Day 5 we decided to mix it up. We did some native seed collection up in these hills in that road. We mostly got California sunflower, California coast morning glory, and caterpillar Cecilia. That's the majority of what's seeding right now in summer. And right now we're clearing this concrete structure. It's runoff to protect against the landslides that happen a lot post wildfire. And that's what we're up to right now.
Sweet.